Tafari here, back with another video. And today's gonna be my I think I'm gonna talk about cryptocurrency today. Basically a little bit of some basics and what to avoid in cryptocurrency. My opinion. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video because, just getting out of the way early, because a lot of people, they think that just because someone tells you to do something, oh, you can sue them for it on YouTube. And I'm not giving you any financial advice. It's just my opinion, what I do, what I'm involved with, and what you can decide to do. So, okay, where can you start buying, the biggest cryptocurrency? Wait, roll it back. I think I made a video on this already, but basically, if you don't know what cryptocurrency is and you're just first watching this video, cryptocurrency, it's the only time I think we're going to do this. Cryptocurrency is basically like an internet currency, and people are treating it kind of like a stock. So as the value rises, they decide to trade it as the value rises. People do this with regular currency as well, just like US dollars and all that. It's all the same. It's just, it's produced through algorithms, with computers, that through mining and all sorts of type of stuff. But I'm not going to get all into that today. I'm just going to keep it a little basic for you guys. Cryptocurrency is just, digitalized currency that's internet. It really is. There's no true form to it besides the internet. Like, there's no coin, there's no hard physical version of cryptocurrency. I mean, you can put it in a physical wallet, or or a digital wallet. You can do things like that. You can store it into wallets like that, and whenever you get in a wallet, you have a private key, a public key, and these long encrypted codes. It's not something there's people who probably could remember their passcodes and all that to their keys to their codes, but for me, I like to put it somewhere, lock it up into these offline wallets and my digital wallets. You don't want to pull your cryptocurrency in one place. If you're thinking about buying cryptocurrency, I have a link below. If you're trying to buy the top 3 currencies, Bitcoin, LTC, and Ethereum, and there's a Bitcoin Cash now in there, so you can go to Coinbase. It's a link in the description. It's going to take you. Also, don't Google it, because some people have been making mistakes Googling Coinbase.com and it's taking them somewhere else. I mean, you can buy, there's a bunch of wallets out there, but right now, if you want to buy the big currencies, go to Coinbase.com. If you are looking to, one of the ways a lot of people like to make money with cryptocurrency is trading. Now, trading is simply same way as trading money, cash, real money, physical dollars, I'll call it. Something's low, that's usually the time when you invest. When it goes up, and you feel like it's about to go down, that's when you cash out. Buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high. A repetitive process. And remember, whenever you're working with just in solely investing and hoping for ups and downs and reading patterns, there's always a risk to it. So don't just think like you're going to start trading, you're going to start making millions of dollars. If you don't know how to read patterns and understand patterns and trends, it's not for you yet. You need to learn and educate yourself on what you're doing. Now, it's very similar to, trading US currency. But the thing about cryptocurrency, what I've learned is, it takes, depending on what you're trading, there's a bunch of cryptocurrencies out there. We have Bitcoin and they have a bunch of altcoins, they like to call them. What I've learned is, the smaller coins, whenever you're trading, there's this huge influence out there. Just warning for all those people who are trying to learn about cryptocurrency. I'm getting this out the way if you just run into my video. There's a lot of big YouTube crypto influencers out there that, know cryptocurrency. And what they're doing is, they're investing in these really, someone put it like this, shitty cryptos, and basically they'll invest so much into it, and then they'll make a video about it, and basically after they make a video about this shitty crypto, that how it's going to be the next big crypto, it will skyrocket. And basically, what do you think they're going to do when it skyrockets? They bought it low, they're going to sell it high. That's what a lot of these crypto gurus are doing, and I want you guys to avoid that, because as I am trying to implement this stream of income into my own company, which just can, evaporate anytime. I'm not going to say crypto is going away anytime soon or anytime at all, but, I'm trying to implement this, and I want, people who come to my channel, I want them to know that there's people out there, in anything. You could say Bitcoin's a scam, Bitconnect's a scam. There's bad people in a lot of things, but usually the whole industry itself is usually not a scam. It's the bad people that make it a scam, and the bad people who do certain things that make it people feel like they were taken advantage of. And I'm gonna get something into another topic later about that too. So what was I talking about? Oh yeah, trading. There's people. I mean, influencers. You need to watch out for the influencers who are boosting crypto's basically values by making a video about it, watching it skyrocket up and then crashing. Don't take their words for these shitty coins. I want you guys to do real research and the purpose behind a coin. Don't let them blow it up because they invested in it and you're just hopping on their wagon. They're really just taking advantage of you and making a lot of money, and it's pretty sick. But people are going to do that. I'm not saying that if you wait the long run with these smaller cryptos that you're not going to make money in the long run, but just know that when someone's making these videos, I may even make a video in the future, but it's not going to be to blow a crypto up. I may make a video just like informing people about a specific crypto in the future and my opinion on it. I'm not like the crypto expert, but I know what people are doing and I know how people take advantage. I've been around this world for some time, and I can see what people are doing. Can read it, and you could just tell who knows what they're talking about and who doesn't. I'm not saying I'm the expert, but I can tell who the hell. Yeah, basically, you know what I mean. Okay, so I wanted to get to this little quick topic because a lot of people wondering how can I make money with crypto. I know so much people are getting money, getting rich with crypto. So here's what I'm going to tell you. You can trade, you can hold it for the long run, or you can mine it. And for the average person, mining is just not reasonable. I don't see it. It takes a lot of money. I also don't recommend those lending platforms where people will mine crypto for you, or build crypto and give you 1% on some time ago. If you guys haven't heard of Bitconnect. Yeah, Bitconnect. If you guys heard of Bitconnect, stay away from it or any of these lending platforms because, there's, if you don't know when to pull out your money and it goes down, if you can't read when something bad is about to happen, that's your fault, honestly. People are going to take advantage of what you don't know. It's that simple. You need to invest in knowledge before trying to get into anything serious. Like, I know the colleges are not teaching this, so if some college thinks that they're the experts on cryptos, they don't even know what they're doing. The people who really know crypto, honestly, aren't even putting their face out there. Let's be honest, because it's a jumpy platform. People's them talking about it, and trying to like teach people and get all into it. They're not really on their face on YouTube and the world trying to really teach it. If you want to really seek them, you need to go find them yourself. So no one really understands, or no one is the true expert behind crypto is basically what I'm trying to say. So be warned out there on YouTube. I'll give you some recommendations on where and the best places, the safe places to buy, but I'm not going to turn you into some crypto billionaire. I'll admit that early right now. But maybe there's some time where I'll just make a basic teaching course for crypto. I'm probably gonna make it free, just to get people into my community, because I want to build a crypto community. You're the average of the 5 people you hang around the most. So I wanted to get into this topic about these lending platforms. It's one that was really recently, and it's Bitconnect. And I kind of wanted to talk about this topic for the people who've been promoting it, really highly, and they've been getting a lot of affiliate commissions off of it, and just have a message for them. I don't really pick sides into any battle, but they've been getting a lot of hate, and I kind of want that hate. No, I'm just kidding. I don't want that hate, but I want, I just want to deliver them a message. I don't know if they're ever going to watch this video. It's Ryan Hildreth, Crypto Nick, and some, Trayvon James, I think his name is. I don't know. I never actually watched any of their videos, I just remember seeing them all over my YouTube because, you know, I looked up similar things to what they were watching. And, you know, they promoted Bitconnect crazy, and then Bitconnect crashes, and they basically ruined, you know, they ruined a bunch of people's lives when honestly, those people knew, you know, it's just, if you do not have the knowledge, the complete knowledge, and you literally depend on someone to like show you the way out and not depend on yourself, and if you put 100% of your earnings in there, and like I know for a fact, like no one's telling you to put 100% of your life savings or taking out $50,000 loans to put your, you know, to change your situation. You know, you can take risks like that, but after a while, you don't want to take these risks where you're not in a position, you know, to recover. So that's why I really focus on multiple streams of income. Like, you shouldn't even be trying to make crypto a business unless you're an expert and you really know everything about it. Don't ever put all your cookies in one basket. And for those guys getting, you know, terrorized and, you know, threatened, keep doing what you do. Keep providing value. Keep providing content. Tai Lopez went through the same thing when he was harassing people with his commercials, and he still does. And he got a bunch of hate, but look what he did with that hate. So keep doing what you guys do. It's unfortunate, you know, you guys affected a lot of people because they really believed in, you know, whatever was going on. But at the same time, they should have had multiple streams of income to back themselves up, which is what I'm pushing, right? Which is what I push with my business. So, you know, I'm not here to support them. I'm not here to hate them. I don't pick sides. There's no point. You don't pick sides in this world. You pick your side and do you, and you help those who want to be helped. And whoever wants to vibe with you, they'll vibe with you. So keep doing what you guys do. Stay safe. Crypto is not a scam. Bad people are scammers. And always read the trends. Stay knowledgeable. Understand what's going on. You know, if you want to get into something, you got to go deep into it. Okay? So that's all I wanted to talk about today. My first crypto video. If you do want to buy altcoins and you do want to buy the big cryptocurrencies, you know, go below. And, you know, if you want to start trading and start looking at this platform connected to Coinbase. It's called JDEX. You don't have any fees, but after you create a Coinbase account, go sign up for JDEX and, you know, get more involved, get more knowledgeable. I'm pretty sure there's a bunch of more videos, but remember, these people will try to influence you. So, you know, even I may try to make a course one day because knowledge is power, and I'm transparent about it. You know, if I make a course and I'm trying to sell it, I'm going to sell it. It's I like that. I like helping people through this way. So be it. I'll put it like that. Everyone, peace. Oh yeah, subscribe, because I'll be forgetting to do that. All right, peace.